touched Narud's mind in there. I sensed his devotion to this Amon. Narud's been trying to resurrect his master for millennia.
It makes sense. The endless conflict between Protoss and Zerg, the hybrid, all part of a plan to bring Amon back.
Unless we stop him.
I wonder how Narud could hope to resurrect a being as powerful as Amon.
I think the hybrid are key. They gather psionic energy. But where would they get enough to resurrect a dead god?
You told me an ancient xel'naga artifact was used to make you human again. But all the power you wielded as the Queen of Blades, where did it go after your transformation?
You mean there might have been hybrid nearby who gathered it? And used it to... Oh no.
If Narud used the xel'naga artifact in that way, he may already have enough energy to resurrect Amon.
We are sensing strange entities in the lab.
You mean besides the hybrid and the evil shapeshifter?
Protoss, my queen, in great numbers.
Yes, I sense them now. Tal'darim. They serve Amon willingly. They worship him.
They worship a dead god.
That makes them even more dangerous. This thing in the lab, this Narud, it's shielding itself from me, but I can still sense its power.
Tell me of it.
It's like nothing I've faced before.
But you destroyed the Ancient One. You captured the power of all Xeras.
This is something born of the void. Cold and empty. But so powerful it hurts.
The hybrid, their essence is strong, but I cannot collect it.
Narud created them. Do you think he will bring you more essence if you follow him?
That one serves a master who will devour all essence.
You're talking about Amon. I think he's dead. And I'm going to make sure he stays that way.
If that one lives, all essence will be collected. Change will stop. I will fight.
Mutalisk strain ready for augmentation. Located feral broodlords. Must reacquire essence. Can be spun into Mutalisk strain. Dominion defense platform, Sigma Centauri. Feral broodlords nearby. Missile turrets designed to kill Mutalisks. Stalemate without broodlords.
Find the broodlords. We'll assimilate their essence and destroy the Dominion.
Kill broodlords. Recover essence.
Assimilate their essence.
Mutalisks can morph into Broodlord. Await your command. Broodlord launches Broodling. Assault ground targets from distance. Supplying Mutalisks will protect Broodlords. Complementary skills.
Now let's end this stalemate.
Being overrun! Drop in reinforcements!
Our forces are under attack.
Destroyed. Platform secured. Brocus Her. Dominion storage world. Transport wreckage discovered. Jorium crystal contained within. Jorium useful for experimentation. Enhances psionic potential. Must acquire. Completed research on primal essences. New strain created. Viper, ready to assault Dominion. Viper, strategic asset. Abducts targets. Pulls to its location. Usable on ally or foe.
Move across the river and pull our aberrations to the other side.
Siege tanks detected. Use Vipers. Pull into range of aberrations. Viper emits disabling cloud. Foes within cannot attack.
Rip that bunker apart. Only their final defenses remain. Move in for the kill.
Jorium cargo secured. Must prepare Mutalisk morph. Returning to evolution bit. Mutalisk morph ready for integration. Await decision. Evolution complete.
Narud is an ancient creature of vast power. He waits for you in the bowels of this place. One of you will die. Make sure it's that son of a bitch.
The Zerg have breached the sanctum!
Protoss.
Narud has held these Tal'darim in reserve. They are his best troops. The final battle is near. A shame. This ultralisk might have been useful.
Organism Stukov misunderstands. Death irrelevant. Only essence important. Ultralisk reconstituted. Ultimate expression of swarm evolution.
We need to secure location for our hive cluster. Then, we deal with Narud. Retribution will be mine.
Attack, my brothers!
Clear away these fanatics. It is time.
He eliminates the abominations!
Our conquest continues. We are without limits. No time like the present. Why would Narud build this lab on top of a xel'naga temple?
You know nothing of the xel'naga.
Narud is driving a null zone towards you. It will kill you on contact. These temples are amplifying his power.
Stukov, go to the temples and destroy them.
I thought you'd never ask. You need something? Move quickly. The first temple is located here. Now, let's go destroy it.
Be quick about it. The null zone is pushing toward me.
Yes, I see. Speak freely. Assault.
Stukov, I sense crystals, which Narud is using to store raw psionic energy.
Yes, their energy is faint, even near the temples. If time permits, we will find them and destroy them. There's no need for that. Our victory is assured. Move quick. You need something? Keep your mind clear. Yes, I see.
Spawn more of it. We require more minerals.
A sound decision. Yes, I see.
Spawn more of it. We require more minerals.
Forward! I hear you.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
Speak freely. A sound decision. Keep your mind clear. Forward! You need some? Speak freely.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
Move quickly.
We require more minerals.
The end.
Spawn more overlords. Spawn more overlords. We require more minerals. Spawn more overlords.
Done.
We require more minerals.
Speak freely.
Tal'darim, destroy their hive! She cannot survive alone!
I am channeling psionic energy into this temple, but it will take time.
You dare defile the shrines of our god? We shall strike you down!
I must focus, but I can still use my powers for the fight.
Our forces are under attack.
Remain alert. A hybrid approaches. I hear you. Speak freely. I can use corrosive blast to eat through the armor of this hybrid. The first temple is deactivated.
Excellent work, Stukov. I can feel Narud's strength slipping.
Success, but only for a moment. We must disable the other temples.
Spawn more overlords.
Move quickly. You need something? Done. The end is at hand.
Spawn more overlords. Spawn more overlords.
I hear you. I hear you.
Spawn more overlords.
There is no need for it. Our victory is assured. A reasonable request.
Mutation complete.
Assured. A reasonable request. Your will. You need something?
None may challenge the Master.
Destroy the Protoss quickly. The hybrid approach.
Our forces are under attack.
Strike the hive while they are in disarray!
We require more minerals.
Keep your mind clear. The second temple has fallen.
Squirm all you like. You will not escape your fate.
Yes, I see. Assault the city.
Our forces are under attack.
Keep your mind clear.
To the temple! It must not fall!
Finish the Tal'darim. Several hybrids are on their way.
Our forces are under attack.
Move quickly. Deactivated a third temple. 2 temples remain.
He's growing weaker. Keep fighting!
No! No!
Do not touch the artifacts of the Master!
The Hive Cluster is under attack. Our forces are under attack.
Need something? No need for formality.
Unacceptable command. We are at maximum supply.
Assault the city. Keep your mind clear.
Mutation complete. Our forces are under attack.
Yes, I see. There is no need for formality. A reasonable request. Done.
Our forces are under attack.
A sound decision. Move quickly. The end is at hand.
Our forces should focus on destroying Narud's temples.
Our forces are under attack. Unacceptable command. We are at maximum supply.
There's no need for that. I hear you. Speak freely. You need something?
Unacceptable command. We are at maximum supply. Our forces are under attack.
A reasonable request.
We should morph units that can attack flying units. Morphing hydralisks or mutalisks will allow us to destroy the enemy's flyers.
The end is at hand. Yes, I see. I hear you. Speak freely.
Mutation complete.
You need something? There is no need for formality. Our victory is assured. Forward! A sound decision.
Brothers, guard the temple with your lives!
Get rid of these Protoss now. The hybrids are on their way. Done. Forward! Move quickly.
The Hive! Destroy the Hive!
Forward! The fourth temple is down. One left.
This is not possible.
I can feel your strength leaving you.
Done.
Unacceptable command. We are at maximum supply.
The end is at hand. Please, request. A sound decision.
Mineral field depleted.
Kerrigan needs the swarm to destroy Narud's temples. Attacking the Tal'darim will not help.
Mutation complete.
A sound decision.
Our forces are under attack.
Keep our victory. I hear you. You need something? There's no need for formality. Yes, I see.
Our forces are under mineral field depleted.
A reasonable request. Move quickly.
Mineral field depleted. Unacceptable command. We are at maximum supply.
The end is at hand. Forward! Yes, I see. Down the city. Down. Yes, I see. Down.
The interlopers must not destroy the crystal!
The crystals have been shattered. Their power belongs to the Swarm now.
Forces are under attack.
I hear.
The hive cluster is under attack.
Defend the temple! Lay waste to these abominations!
Many hybrids are coming. This is our final battle. Something.
Mineral field depleted. Mineral field depleted.
Our victory is assured. Move quickly.
Mutation complete.
No, it cannot be!
Your temples are gone.
Mineral field depleted.
We've done it. The null zone has left Narud weakened, vulnerable.
Even so, he's the most powerful being I've ever faced.
What will you do?
Kill him. Face me, Narud. It's over.
It is only beginning. Amon whispered of this from the stars. He told you of his return. He told you of ruin, extinction, the end of all things.
Your god is dead, and he's never coming back.
Is that what you think? Sarah.
You're not human. You are not Jim! You are nothing! I'm everything you lost. You've already lost.
Amon lives. You will see him soon.